this is this is a today's problem, and this is a 961 problem. N repeated element in size 2n array. So this is a easy level problem. So let's see what it is saying. It is saying that you are given an integer array nums with the following properties. Okay, so this is properties. What that nums dot length is equal to 2 into n. Okay, this is a property that your nums dot length, it means your nums array length is equal to 2 into n. We don't know what is n. Okay, and nums contain n plus 1 unique element. Your nums array contain n plus 1 unique element, and exactly one element of nums is repeated n times. Okay, exactly one. It means not more than one element is repeatedly, okay, repeated nums of nums in n time. Okay, and return the element that is repeated n times. So first we need n. Okay, so let's come here. I am doing this in Java. You can do whatever language you prefer. So first we have to know that what is n, how to find n. So if you want to find n, then just see it. Here is nums dot length is equal to 2 into n. It means if I want to know that what is n, then our n become nums dot length divided by 2. Is it right or not? Yes, it is right. Nums dot length divided by 2. Okay, from here we find n. Okay, now what we can do? We can do now, because we have to return the element that is repeated. Okay, so we can do here int answer equal to 0. Okay, now look, what should our approach be? That our approach, like, see in example, here is 1 2 3 3. Okay, so we have to think that which element is repeated. Like here the length of this nums is 4. Okay, if I go through that our logic, then our n become what? N become nums dot length divide by 2. It means 4 divide by 2 become what? Become 2. Okay, means we have to find that element which is repeated two times. So in this array 3 is repeated two times, so we have to return 3. Just like same in this example, 2 1 2 5 3 2. And in this example, if you see that what is the length of this array, the length of this array is 6. So if the length of this array is 6, then what become n? So n become here 3. Okay, so we have to think that which element repeated 3 times. So if you see 2, then we 2 is repeated 3 times, so we have to return 2. Okay, concept is clear. Now we have to find that how we return that value. Okay, so we just no need to take more serious it, because it is simple. You just apply a for loop, and you got it. So first we apply for loop. Int I start from 0. I start from 0, like start from 2, but where we can we can go from 2 to last minus 1. We can check until 3. We can't go on 2. Okay, so we can go I is less than nums dot length minus 1. Okay, and this is okay. Now look, this happened. Now what should I do? We should apply another for loop for checking the next value. So int j start from where? J start from I plus 1. Okay, now what? J start from I plus 1 and j goes to j goes to where? Nums dot length. This time not going to a length minus 1 because I have to check until last. Therefore we can't go nums dot length minus 1. So we go nums dot length and j plus plus. Okay. Now what you think? Suppose I am checking 2 and 1. Is it equal? Both are 2 and 1? No, it is not equal. Okay. Then again we check 2 and 2. Is it equal? Yes, equal. So what should I do if it is equal? We have to, you know, l- take a variable, a counter, which going to count it. Then find that which if it become n, then we return. So we have to let a int count, a counter. What should it do? It just give you value that what is the repeated. So first, whenever you going to count, one is initial value. Okay, because if you start from two, then two one is initial. So I have to set the here count is equal to one. Okay, now what should I do? We have to make a condition, apply a condition here, that if nums of I is equal to nums of j. If both are equal, then what should I do? We have to do count plus plus. Okay, we have to do count plus plus. It means count is increasing when both are equal. Okay. So we can check now. If I come outside the inner loop, then we have to check that count if our count is equal to n. Okay, if it is equal, then what should I do? We have to return. What return? We have to You can do two thing. You can directly return here, or you can assign your nums dot I value in answer, and then you return answer. Okay, I think uh, you can understand it, that if count is equal n, then what should I do? We assign our nums dot I, because nums dot I prefer, which indicating that current value, which value we just go through all loop. So this is nums dot I, and it is equal to 9. Repeated value is equal to 9, sorry, n. So what should I do? We should return answer. Okay. Otherwise, because return type in int, so we have to return here answer. Okay. So let's see. We are going to run it. Okay. Running. So look, this is accepted. We have to submit it. Every test case pass. Okay, accepted. This is fine. So this is my code. Okay, I can show you one more time that we can we this is simple question. Okay, we just take a n, which is a half of length of our array, and then we take a answer variable, and then we take a counter, and we just compare our array, that if it is repeated value in any, and then we count that how many times it repeated, and if repeated value is n, then we just return that value. Fine. So this is the simple question. I think you understood it. Okay, let's enjoy it. And if you think that you have any other type of solution, any other approach, then just comment in comment section. And okay, let's have a nice day. Bye bye.